Hello, so I bought this Shark Vacmop and I really like it. It's a really great tool just for quick cleanup. But the problem is these pads, which I did use it, they are super expensive and you can't really buy any reusable ones. So I came up with a hack and I'll show you how.
So you take off the pad and it has the vacuum little plastic part. And as you can see, when you vacuum things up, they kind of get stuck in there. And then when you're full, then you just have to throw it away. So you take it off and then you cut up a bunch of Velcro. And so then I glued the Velcro onto the plastic part. I had to cut this one, but you might be able to find that one size. It's just kind of what I had laying around. And then I cut up a piece of fabric. I just used like this little ShamWow towel that I just like had around, and then I cut it to size. And then I also put Velcro, the other side of the Velcro, on the fabric. I would suggest using something not too thick because it still needs to fit underneath the vacuum, but you could probably use a variety of different kinds. Maybe some kind of a dish rag or something like that you could probably use. So yeah, I just glued it on with the E6000. And I bought this pad, but I found out that it's a little bit too big. So you pull off the pad off of the plastic part. And then you take some more Velcro and you glue Velcro onto the other side. So a lot of those pads you buy, the reusable pads for different like Vacmop or different mops, this is the one I actually did find that was better. It's actually a window cleaner pad, but it has like the same dimensions as the disposable one that comes with this Vacmop. So I liked it better. And it already has a Velcro, so you don't have to add Velcro on that one. So yeah, you just pop it back on after all the glue is dried on the Velcro. Pop it back on and boom. It works pretty well. I mean, I didn't want to have to buy the pads. So now after you have cleaned the floor, you just remove the fabric part with the Velcro on it and then empty out the little plastic part that sucked up all of the trash on the floor. And then you just replace it back on there. I guess you could clean it if you want to. I haven't yet. And then you take off the reusable mop part. And then you could just throw that in your washing machine. Maybe you can have like 5 on hand, so you could just constantly switch them out. But so much cheaper, so much easier. You don't have to constantly buy those disposable pads, the ones that come with the vacuum, ever again, because they're kind of expensive. So let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.